Hello and welcome back. So today I'm going to discuss about named tuple. So tuple is basically an immutable list. So the tuple is a type of list which are immutable in nature, which cannot be modified, right? So if we create a tuple, so after once it is created, then we cannot further modify it. So the importance of tuple is, first is immutable, and the second thing is tuple holds records and the positions of that records are fixed, so that we can unpack it very easily, so that once we unpack it, so we get the correct record. So let's take an example that how we can create a tuple and how we can unpack it, and later on we will discuss what is named tuple and how we can create named tuples. So let's jump into the coding portion. So first we need to create a tuple. So for tuples, let's say I create a like this. My tuple is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so as you can see, this is my tuple. If I write type of t1, so here the type of t1 is tuple. So basically t1 is an instance of type tuple. So I can unpack this. I can unpack all the values like this: val2, val3 to my tuple t1. So as you can see, val1, val2 and val3. So one thing is clear, that tuple holds the record and the position of each records are fixed, so that we can easily unpack it. So the next question is it possible that I can create my custom tuples? Is it possible that I can access the fields using my customized tuple name dot my customized field name? Instead of position, can I access the values by using field name? Yes, it is possible, and it is only possible with the help of named tuple. So let's go jump into the named tuple coding portion. So to use named tuple, we need to import it from the collections modules. So collection modules has named tuple. Okay, so how to create a named tuple? So let's say I create my data structure, my named tuple like this. So you have to create an instance of named tuple. First you need to specify your tuple name. So I say that my tuple, so this is my tuple class name. After that you need to specify my fields separated with a space. So here these are my 3 fields. Okay, now how can I create my customized instance from my customized tuple? Like this, my tuple, and let's say if I write this 1, 2, 3. My mistake, ty. Okay, my mistake, typle. Okay, so here you can see this my tuple. If I type my type of t1, so as you can see that its type is my tuple. So what happened is I created a customized tuple and its type is my tuple, and the type of my tuple is actually a named tuple, right? So name tuple allow us to create the customized tuple using its class name, and we can access these values using its field name. So t1 dot val1, okay, t1 dot val2, t1 dot val3. So here you can see that I can easily access the values of this my customized tuple or the tuples which are created by the name tuple. So let's take one more example of the name tuple. So the example can be, let's say you have students and students have their name and class, right? So why not we can create the name tuple for this scenario. So let's jump into it. What we need to do is student is equal to named tuple my student, okay, this is my student, after that their name and their class, okay, named tuple. Okay, one mistake I did, this should be like this, okay, yeah, that's a common mistake that we generally do. Okay, so a name tuple has been created for a student. Right now, how we can create an instance from this? So we can create like this, a student, okay. Now then next, my name is Rajat and I'm so little, so I'm right now I'm doing a study in my 10th class, okay. So s1 dot name and s1 dot cls class. So as you can see that I can easily holds the value. So generally when I work in the automation, then in that scenario I also used name tuple. So I cannot right now I cannot share the automation code because of the some policies, okay, but definitely when one day I will share this code also with you guys. So that's the pretty simple thing with the name tuple. Generally when you think that you want to create a tuple, and it can be easily grabbed, or the values can be easily fetched by the field name, then in that scenario use name tuple. So name tuple gives you the flexibility to fetch the records on the basis of its name instead of its positions, right? So that's about name tuple. I hope you have liked this video and this video is quite informative to you, okay. So please provide your comment in the comment sections, and please like this video and subscribe my channel, and every subscriptions give me energy to create more good videos and informative video for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye bye, and we will meet in the next coming videos.